Maybe in 5 years.
After 10 years.
Hey vlogger, a little vlogger, you want to say something?
Thank you for our major sponsor.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
I'm gonna be walling.
Bye Inday. Bye bye. So cute. Bye bye. Bye bye. This is our little vlogger.
Giduka naman dito ka sa sunod.
1,000 views. Hello, 1 million viewers. Charot. Just making a 3 minutes video.
Pero, I really, I was amazed because, the garbage.
It's very clean.
A
Yeah.
lot different.
Yeah.
That one house that we went to look at, that there was so much garbage around.
Yeah.
You could just see that the people in the area just don't care. And it was just piled up everywhere.
Yeah.
The yard is
Mark,
full of garbage.
t-shirt sa